Explain question number 2, exercise 1.1, class 12. Show that the relation R in the set R of real number defined as R is equal to braces of bracket A, B, colon A is less than equal to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Solution. Given relation is R is equal to braces bracket of A, comma B, colon A is less than equal to B square. First, reflexivity. Let A belongs to real number. A is equal to A less than equal to B square. If A is less than 1, let A is equal to 1 by 2, then A square is 1 by 4. So A is not less than A square. Hence R is not reflexive. In this condition is not satisfy the relation. Hence R is not reflexive. Symmetric. Let A B belongs to real number. A R B, then A is less than equal to B square, but B less than equal to A square is not true. Therefore, ARB not equal to BRA. For example, let A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5. Then 2 is less than equal to 5 square, but 5 is less than equal to 2 square is not true. Hence R is not symmetric. Transitivity. Let A, B, C belongs to real number. ARB A is less than equal to B square, and BRC B is less than equal to C square. Consider ARB and BRC. A less than equal to C square means relation is ARC is not be true. Hence R is not transitive. Example, if A is 2, B is equal to -3 and C is equal to 1. ARB, 2 is less than equal to 9 square, true. BRC belongs to -3 is less than equal to 1. ARC belongs to A means 2 is less than equal to 1 is not true. So proof.